boy Worthington? No.
Cargo. Cargo, beep, beep. It's a really shitty opening act. You should see the headliner.
His pictures.
Something before you went to sleep. That's a proper cheesy dream, innit? The cheesiest dream ever.
To take Colson on a date,
Yeah?
I would wear open-toed pumps because my man likes feet.
The camera.
For some reason, he just couldn't.
Oh my gosh. No, but I mean.
Hang out with older dudes that are like not really cool.
Well, you know, Pete grew up like, you know, he was doing stand-up comedy, but he was like, you know, 14, 15 years old.
So he was always surrounded.
Blunt. People fell for it? Oh my god, yes!
He just I know people.
That's the...
It falls on you, I'm so
I know.
sorry. I don't